show y'all how dirty this shit is. That shit's all dusty. Just from sitting, that shit fell off. I think I took it off. I need to fix the speaker. The door, look at the door. Hella dirty. The dash dirty. Everything's just fucking dirty, right? So you guys understand, it's just dirty. So I'm gonna be cleaning it with some shit I bought. I'll show you what I bought. Filling ourselves with this shit. So that's why I bought this. For the interior glass cleaner. I've never used this before. So I wanted to see how it would work. It's like for like, it's almost like wax for windshield, but it also cleans it, and I want to try it out. I had this other one that I always use, but I wanted to try this one out, see if you guys wanted to use it. And then this is what we're going to use to clean the wheels. I have used this before, and this shit works beast. It's just like one of the best ones, and it's pretty cheap compared to the other ones. And then I haven't tried this one, tire shine. And then the interior, I've never used this before, but I just bought the most expensive one because I thought it's more expensive. Probably better. And then I just got towels for the window and the interior. But yeah, let's get it. Alright, so this was just me wiping it off. Just the dust with the towel. I don't even think it needs the McGuire shit, but I'm gonna put it on anyway, just to see how it'll look. Alright, so for the last part of part 2, I'm gonna be cleaning the wheels, and they're not like too bad. You can't really tell on camera, but after I'm done, they're gonna look super fucking clean. But alright, so you can tell all the wheels are alright. That one's alright. This one's good. This one's clean. This other one's super clean too. This one's spotless. But then you go to this one. This shit's fucked up. Look. I don't know what the fuck happened there. Alright, so I cleaned it again and I made it worse. Now it's a different color. This one might have been repainted or something. Or maybe like when someone cleaned it, like shit stayed right here and it just made the paint come off. But if you ever see me, just don't look at this wheel. Look at the other ones. Look at the back ones. The back ones are fresh because they're deeper. Fuck it. Whatever, man. At least they're clean.